Hello Jolly Natics! We found another food trip spot dito sa Pasig that offers different selections of fusion dishes from Western to Asian. Meron sila niyan dito. They also have this unique concept dahil mobile diner yung setup nila dito which you rarely find dito sa Metro Manila. Dito nga lang yan sa Everyone's Mobile Diner na located along Marcos Highway, Pasig City. Bali pag nakita nyo tong Ayala Malls Feliz, tawid lang kayo dito sa may transport terminal at makikita nyo na sila agad. Malawak nga rin yung parking area nila dito para sa may mga dalang sasakyan and open naman sila dito daily from 6 AM to 4 AM. And bukod nga sa indoor dining, may alfresco dining din sila dito sa may gilid at roof deck. And if towards the evening nga kayo pumunta dito, mas lalo nyo ma-appreciate yung ganda ng mobile diner nila. Pagdating naman sa menu, ang dami rin nilang selections dito from steaks, rice meals, sandwiches, silog meals at marami pang iba. And we tried some of their best sellers, particularly yung kanilang mga Asian dishes. Starting with their buntit nong, ito yung pinakasalad sa Vietnam made of vermicelli noodles topped with stir-fry pork and fried spring rolls. And best to partner to with their specially made vinaigrette at for me, ito nga yung pinaka nagdadala dun sa mismong dish. Masarap at refreshing yung lasa niya at talaga naman mabubusog ka dahil loaded sa sahog. We also tried their spring rolls na best ka-partner nitong masarap nilang peanut sauce. Traditional dish to made of vegetables, rice noodles, shrimp wrap all together. Combination of chewy and refreshing taste mixed with their sweet and savory dahil dun sa peanut sauce. Nagtry nga rin kami nitong kanilang banh mi which is a Vietnamese sandwich consisting of a crisp baguette filled with seasoned meat, pickled vegetables, and other herbs. This is only 215 pesos and for me napakasulit at nakakabusog na. Ang sarap ng combination ng pickled veggies and yung mismong meat. Napakasolid nga rin ng pad thai nila dito, chewy at saktong-sakto yung pagkakaluto sa flat noodles at lasang-lasa mo yung pagka-stir fry. Masarap at balance din yung mismong pagkakatimpla sa sauce. No wonder this is one of their best sellers. Marami na nga rin ako natikman na version ng pad thai and for me this is really good. Another famous dish that we tried itong kanilang Vietnamese pho. Noodle soup dish to na staple sa Vietnam and known internationally dahil sa flavorful broth na pinakuluan ng napakatagal. May sahog nga rin tong rice noodles at napakalambot na karne at iba pang herbs. The broth was really flavorful in a natural way and I think isa talaga sa karakteristik ng dish na to napaka-aromatic. Yung lasa, comforting at banayad lang sa bawat higop. Tapos sobrang sulit nga rin ang serving nila dito and actually isa din to sa nagustuhan ng bunso ko. And speaking of kids, they also have the meaty pack burger na may fries na din kasama and sila din mismo yung gumawa ng patty. For me may pagka-slight peppery and nasa sweet side yung lasa ng mismong burger patty. Actually in-order namin to for kids pero ayun talagang nagustuhan din namin. Aside from dine-in, available din sila dito for deliveries through Lalamove and Foodpanda. Kaya naman if you're looking for a food trip spot that offers wide selections of comfort food and traditional food, dayuhin at subukan nyo na nga rin dito sa Everyone's Mobile Diner. So paano until our next food trip?